With the sunset of Universal Analytics marked in the calendar for July 1st, 2023, there is no time like the present to understand GA4. What is Google Analytics 4? Simply put, GA4 is an analytics platform provided as a service by Google. Its primary purpose is to measure the traffic and performance of both websites and applications. GA4 has been widely regarded as the next generation of analytics as it's set to take over from Universal Analytics, historically one of the most commonly used analytics tools. According to Google, GA4 is designed specifically for the following purposes: collect both website and app data to better understand customer journey, use event-based data as opposed to session-based data, include privacy controls such as cookieless measurement and behavioural and conversion modelling, predictive capabilities offering guidance without complex models, and direct integrations to media platforms to help drive actions on your website or app. What is the point of migrating? To be blunt, if you currently use Universal Analytics and don't migrate to GA4 by the 1st of July, you won't be able to measure your website traffic or the full performance of your marketing campaigns. You could be missing out on what marketers are slowly coming to realise is a major upgrade. Universal Analytics came out over 10 years ago now, and GA4 is more accurate, customizable, flexible, and powerful than its predecessor. Yes, you're missing some features of Universal Analytics, but you are arguably gaining so much more in their place. As to the point of migrating, we've summarised that into 5 reasons highlighting some very exciting features. First up, user privacy. Migrating to GA4 means using their new data model, which puts a greater emphasis on the user's privacy. Utilising AI. Enhanced machine learning capabilities can uncover any missed insights and opportunities from your website's analytics. Comprehensive analytics. You'll be able to gain a deeper understanding of how users interact with your brand across all touchpoints, online, offline, and cross-platform. More control. You can now have more control over data, making compliance much easier by specifying which data you want to collect and how long you want to keep it. Future-proof your business. Unlike Universal Analytics, GA4 will be updated and has been purpose-built for enhanced measurement in the future of analytics. If you're primarily using Google Analytics as your website analytics platform, then you need to upgrade to GA4. If not today, then at the earliest possible time. In the grand scheme of things, you're behind most other businesses and agencies running marketing campaigns. The deadline to upgrade to GA4 is fast approaching, so don't risk losing valuable data insights, and let our team of experts help you make a smooth transition to the future of analytics.